Good morning, grade 8 students. This is Miss Nadine. Today I'm going to explain a new chapter, chapter 7, Geometry, section 7.1, Pairs of Angles. Vertical angles, they are formed by two intersecting lines and are opposite each other. Vertical angles are congruent, they have the same measure. Vertical angles are pairs of opposite angles made by intersecting lines. They are the angles opposite each other when two lines cross. Vertical in this case means they share the same vertex, corner point. If two angles are vertical, then they are congruent or equal. Angle X equal angle X, angle Y equal angle Y. Adjacent angles, they have a common vertex and a common side, but no common interior points. ABD and DBC are two adjacent angles since they share a common vertex B and a common side BD between AB and BC. Adjacent angles. They have a common vertex and a common side but no common interior point. Angle ABD and DBC are two adjacent angles since they have a common vertex B and they share a common side BD located. Supplementary angles. Two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. Each angle is the supplement of the other. Supplementary angles can be adjacent or non-adjacent. Example, in the first figure, 139 plus 41 equal 180. These two angles are adjacent supplementary. They are adjacent since they have a common vertex and a common side and no common interior points, and the sum of the two angles is 180. The second example, we have two non-adjacent angles. The sum of these two angles is 60 plus 120 is 180. Then the two angles are supplementary. Let's take another example. We have two angles, two adjacent angles. The measure of the first angle is 120 and the measure of the second angle is 60. If you add these two angles, their sum is 180. Then these two angles are adjacent supplementary. Complementary angles. Two adjacent angles when added together equal 90 degrees. Angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. The measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 equal 90. Then these two angles are adjacent complementary. They form a right angle. The same for the second figure. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal 90. Then these two angles are adjacent complementary. Example, complementary angle, the sum of two angles is 90. Each angle is the complement of the other. To find the complement of an angle, we subtract the angle from 90, okay? Angle A and angle B are complementary angles. The measure of angle A is 32 degrees and the measure of angle B is 58 degrees. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equals 32 plus 58 equal 90. Then these two angles are non-adjacent complementary angles. For Tuesday, May 19, 2020, please solve page 305, exercises 1 to 12 and 17 to 21. Thank you.